What is motivation? Motivation is the psychological force that creates the enthusiasm and persistence leaders and followers need to pursue organizational goals. Organizational behavior identifies motivation as an important part of the performance equation. Motivation times ability times opportunity equals performance. Therefore, if we want to perform better, or if we want our employees to perform better, one of the things we can do is assess motivation. When employee motivation is enhanced, employees, managers, and organizations all benefit. Employees are better off because they have a job they find more interesting and satisfying. Managers and organizations are better off because high employee motivation is associated with greater customer satisfaction, higher quality products, higher return on investment, and lower turnover. If someone is not performing well, assess the individual's motivation, ability, and opportunity. It could be that one or more of these factors is impaired, and that the manager can do something to improve the individual's performance. The things that motivate us direct our efforts toward goal-relevant behaviors and lead us to persist even in the face of obstacles. In addition to sources of motivation, we can also think about motivation in terms of the goals we are motivated to reach. For instance, you might be motivated to graduate, start a business, live a healthier lifestyle, travel around the world to exotic places, or save money. One of the most important lessons from the research is that our motivational needs vary. What motivates some people may not motivate others. For example, some people are motivated by extra days off and bonuses, while others are motivated by recognition and health benefits. Managers then need to find out what motivates each employee and tailor their motivational strategies to each person. In most situations, our behaviors are motivated by both internal and external drives. Internal drives are called intrinsic motivators and are internal forces that energize us to pursue our goals. Intrinsic motivators include things like the need for mastery, autonomy, and meaningfulness. When we fulfill these needs, we are rewarded from within ourselves. External drives are called extrinsic motivators and are external forces that energize us to pursue our goals. Extrinsic motivators include things like money, grades, and bosses. Organizational behavior researchers and practitioners have identified a variety of ways for managers to enhance their motivational capacity. Although there is no simple formula for building motivation, we can focus on sources of motivation, or those things that motivate us. We'll learn about these sources in the next videos, but the three main sources we can focus on are the person, the job, and the manager.